Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm presenting you the Porsche 911, Porsche's most iconic car ever made. So this model car is 1:43 scale and it includes the original Porsche sound of the 911. So let's open it and see what's inside the box. The concept of this particular product is in the form of an advent calendar. It contains 24 boxes which are opened from the 1st to the 24th of December. The included booklet gives you assembly instructions for the 911 and takes a look back at the history of the legendary Porsche from the early years of the production to the first racing successes at the Le Mans, Paris, Dakar, truck race and some special models which dominated the tracks in the 70s and 80s. The numbers which are printed on the boxes represent the day which the box must be opened. So beginning with the first day with the biggest box, the number 1, which contains the base of the model. In the third box there is a bookmark with a picture of the front of the car. The fourth box contains the floor of the model, and the next one the engine of the car. At the 6th day of December, you're going to open the box with a sticker which contains the make, the model and the production date. The next day you have to assemble a cardboard box in which the screws for assembling the 911 are placed, and at the next day a screwdriver and the screws are provided. And the search continues for the number 9. Oh, here it is. The number 9 contains the part to which the batteries, the switch and the speaker are connected. In the next box there is a battery holder, and at the 11th day of December you will receive a small post-it notebook with a picture of the 911. The next day you have to assemble the front part of the car, the steering system, and on the 13th of the month you will open the box with the interior of the car. A diorama is included in the next box. In the box with the number 15 is the speaker. The next surprise is a fridge magnet with the front of the Porsche 911. And on the 17th of December there is one more diorama with a snowy landscape which is placed behind the 911 and is essentially the background of the model. The next day we are given another diorama of the 911 tires, and going on the 19th we receive the switch which activates the speaker. So now we have one more diorama with black and white photos of the assembly of the 911 at the factory. The next box contains some stickers which can be placed on the model and decorated with some numbers. In the next box there is a cloth for cleaning the model, and in the next two boxes is given the metal cell of the 911. In the second part of the video we will assemble the 911. Until then, be well and have a nice holiday.